Hello guys, I hope you're doing well. Welcome to my channel, Power of Priyanka, Give Power to Your Dreams. Today, in my channel, being a CS aspirant, we're gonna learn about how to apply 15 days ROC training after passing CS. So just go log on to Stimulate site. As you can see, I have logged in out. Just type stimulate.icsi.edu. Now you can see the portal of ICSS Stimulate. In this Stimulate portal, you can just log in of your Smash ID, login and password. Just like I did, just type your registration number, your 15-digit registration number, and just log into your passwords. I've already saved my ID and password, so I'm submitting it right now. Just click on submit button. Yes, exactly like this. You will see the whole page of ICSI stimulate.ics.edu. So you can see the profile page on home tab. My profile, you get that all your details of registration number, your name, your email ID, address, pin code number. And here on the right side you can see the training applicable tab. In that, based on your registration number, and here you will get the training details such as EDP, 3 days EDP, 5 days skill development, PDP hours, long term training, training with specialized agency, MSOP, like physical earlier, and likewise. So today in our topic we're going to go about 15 days specialized training. Also, if you can see, drop down examination status, you can see over here with all the course name, your executive, professional. As I have passed all the exams, you can see all the past status. Now, to begin with, training, specialized training, you can see in the right corner apply training. Just click on that apply training on that button. After clicking on that, it will open a page of training request for requesting for 15 days training. Just click on training duration, company type, request type, company PCS. You have to search criteria, then drop down. So on the search criteria, training request, you can see below. After training request, there's a tab of search results. As I've already applied for long-term training, so that's my search for 15 months long-term training. But you have to click on down. You see options. There are total 4 options: transfer of training, update training report, upload completion of to specialized training, and there's one apply long-term training or specialized training. So we have to apply for 15 days ROC specialized training. So we have to click on that. By on apply long term or specialized training, you can see a new window opens for request training registration. Just click on request type on drop down specialized training as 15 days of specialized training. Then you have to click on training duration, which is 15 days ROC training. For the students who have registered before 2014, they're eligible for 15 days ROC training. For new registration, they are eligible for CLDP now. So yes, you have to select now on PCS under which you are going to register. So as I'm gonna register under practicing company secretary, there are many options that you can go for an offices of ROC, stock exchange, financial, office of official liquidator, on MC, and many more. There are codes, NBFCs, law firm, non-banking, bankruptcy, insolvency board. You can register all these firms for 15 days ROC training can do over here. So I'm doing under a PCS, so I'm selecting that practicing company secretary. Now over here I'm selecting the firm name. After selecting the firm name, so for example select PCS, so select the name of the practicing company secretary. So for me it's Nidhi Bajaj, under which I'm gonna accommodate. So I'm gonna select Nidhi Bajaj on search button. Yes, I've got it. Nidhi Bajaj, associate number 289907. And then the drop down pop-ups below, as you can see, it's one more blocks. You can see to select on radio button, select which of head office address is mentioned, access mall, country, state, all the details. Now, instruction is in case of PCS commencement date will be date of execution of contract. Now, over here we have to execute a contract between you and the PCS firm, or under which you're gonna accommodate under. So, You have to mention over here the commencement date. For me, I'm taking my date as 30th March as per my contract agreement. And then you have to select on document type. Now, under this, there are documents which are required by the PCS, it will be checked. So over here, as you can see, document type, there are appointment letter for training or contract with PCS, which we need to prepare. Then we have the mark sheet or passing certificate of CS exam, that's CS professional certificate, which we get. Then we have affidavit, have copy of first mail, reason for delay in writing by the training, proof of payment, attendance register, reasons or clarifications. So right now I'm attaching my mark sheets of foundation, executive and professional. Just click on choose file, and I have merged all my certificates in one PDF. So I'm selecting my all my mark sheets till date. To select on mark sheets and click on open. After this, when you click on open, the file gets reflected here. So you can see mark sheets. Then click on upload button. So I have updated my mark sheets and appointment letter over here. You can click on upload button on the right tab. To click on that, and then it shows a drop down. Just click on upload. As you can see, the uploaded documents reflects down mark sheet or my passing certificate, and I've uploaded on 29 March, so it's reflecting that. Now second document I have to upload is appointment letter. So I click on that, I'll choose file, and then I will apply for my application for 15 days ROC training, which I said we have to prepare an application with the PCS form or under ROC or under any form which you are recruiting, and to upload a document also. So these two documents mandatory, especially appointment letter or contract with PCS or contract agreement basically. Have to upload both the documents, and drop down you can see there's a declaration. I have to
For the
click on the
declaration,
checkbox.
now this is a confirmation letter for 15 days specialized training. This is a format with the letterhead and sign and stamp. Then you have to later on upload, and this will show a record successfully on the portal. So guys, this was my video. Thanks for watching. For sales updates, please subscribe my channel and hit the like button. Thank you. Thank